Next job, skilled workers for rail vehicles. So in that case, what you would need is a technical apprenticeship or university degree and, of course, work experience. And in that sense, it's really technical tasks, electricians, mechanics, fitters, welders, metal workers. So in any case, if in future you get contacted by us and our partnering agency that invited you today here, we will detail all of that. And you will get an email asking you, okay, are you interested in this position? And we usually check with you all of that beforehand to know, is your technical apprenticeship or degree recognized in Austria? And I will explain a bit more how this process works in a bit. Again, B1 certificate, B2 course completion, and the rest is also listed. Salary is also around 30,000 euro net annual. Then we have skilled craft and technical worker. This is really welders, really specific welders if you have a long year experience in that sense, and it's about welding different type of metals, usually around the trains and the tracks as well. And yeah, again, very important what is mentioned here is a strong teamwork. So imagine that's also why you need to learn the German. Usually you work in small teams because it's about maintaining the whole infrastructure of the Austrian railway. So if there's an issue somewhere, if there was some flooding and you have to drive somewhere to repair it, there's always a small team of workers then working together. That's why the teamwork is so important, and it's one of the values of the company as well. That you're able to communicate well, but that you're also a team player, that you like to help others, that you want to be here for them and support them. So that's very important. And yeah, I have detailed all the so you will see all the detailed information about the job description here. I will not mention all of them now, just to go for the most important ones. Sorry. Okay, let's move on. We need HVAC workers. Usually you know it as air condition, heating and ventilation installers. Again, apprenticeships that are recognized as this. Do we have any experts in this job here in the round? Then lift your hand. Some of you I know, I've checked many of your CVs, have several degrees as well. I know they are not just train drivers; they are electricians as well. They have done many other jobs as well and certificates. So sometimes you even qualify for several of the job positions, which might even give you the opportunity to be called to this or to that job, and then you can decide which one you want to take. But this is very important because there are of course many train stations, and also those ones, the buildings, they need maintenance, and also on the trains sometimes as well, but it's more about the buildings. You can see the salary is a bit lower because this is considered a different type of job, but not directly in the railway. It's more on the building part, building maintenance, and therefore there's a bit of a lower salary. This is the lowest one from the ones I'm presenting here today. Then we have skilled workers for road vehicle technology. This is really about maintaining and fixing the trains. And again, we need the car mechanic, car bodywork, or system electronics technician. They would be able to apply for this job. Again, 2 to 3 years of technical degree, can also be a university degree, for example, as a mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, those areas as well apply here. And here, for example, they would also require, it would be ideal if you have some driving license in COD, because you have to move sometimes the train, or in that case, it's also for the buses. So this is also to maintain, you've seen the bus driver position, so the company maintains a lot of buses, and then you have to take care of the bus maintenance as well. Then there are different levels of it. We have a highly skilled one. You can see just there's a slight difference and an explanation, where you can take on more of a leadership role, where you manage smaller teams, where you may be the deputy of the body shop manager, and you will see here in the next one as well. And there's highly qualified specialist as well. So this is really when you have several years of experience, management experience. It also includes, and you will see it on the left side, doing detailed records of billing, warranty processing. So that needs, besides your technical experience, also a bit of management competence, maybe also being able to work more on documentation and helping really in the administrative part for managing the road vehicle technology workshop.